Happy Tuesday morning. I hope everybody enjoyed their snow day yesterday. So in science, what you need to do is you need to go in and you'll notice things have changed a bit. You have your Traits and Reproduction, Chapter 2, and the new Chapter 2 notebook. You'll be using this new Chapter 2 notebook. Make sure you don't go back into Chapter 1 in your slides. Just click on this one and it's brand new. Open this one up. You're not going to submit it, but I'll be looking at it because you know I can. You're going to open up Chapter 2, and this will give you all your work. So, we're going to be focusing in this chapter on how you'll determine and explain how genes similar and different result in different traits. So, first thing, open up that notebook, that Chapter 2, not 1 notebook. You're going to complete slide 2 and answer the question. So, here's our new wrong one. Handy dandy notebook. Slide 2 talks about why do organisms have different proteins. Darwin bark spider on the left makes a protein that has high flexibility silk. This Darwin bark spider on the right makes a protein that results in spider silk with low flexibility. So they have different proteins making different traits. But then why are they making different proteins? Where do the proteins come from? This is what I need you to hypothesize. We're beginning the chapter, so this is our guess so far. Take that prior knowledge and some of those things you guys have been wanting to talk about so far and try to plug them back in. Then in the notebook it says, read the article in slides 3 through 7 and annotate every slide. Ask questions, define vocabulary words, or connect something we've learned about the spiders or your body or the microbiome on each slide. So you'll see there is a reading 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And you'll notice most of the paragraphs are rather small. It's not much because the pictures are there and are important. Make sure you do look at the pictures. You might have questions about them. Slide 5 and slide 6 do have 2 paragraphs in them, but it's not going to kill you. But I will be looking to count for attendance if you've written on each of those slides. And something that makes sense. Don't put trash in there. Remember, you're asking questions or making a connection or defining some vocabulary word that doesn't quite make sense to you. Okay? So again, it's not copying something down or saying this is the important point or summarizing. Ask a question, connect to something outside the article. This is like that we talked about in this way. Or this word right here, I think it means this when that's happening here, and that's how it's happening. So make sure you read through that. I'll be checking at 2:30 if you have it done. If you're not, you're marked absent.